Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the concept of globalization. Globalization is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that has transformed the world in numerous ways. Let's dive in and explore this topic further. Globalization refers to the interconnectedness of economies, societies, and cultures on a global scale. It is the process by which goods, services, capital, and people move across borders and are integrated into a global economy. Globalization has been an ongoing process for centuries, but it accelerated in the second half of the 20th century due to advances in transportation, communication, and technology. The fall of trade barriers and the rise of multinational corporations have also contributed to the growth of globalization. Globalization has brought many benefits to the world. It has led to increased economic growth, higher living standards, and the creation of new job opportunities. It has also facilitated the spread of information and ideas, which has helped to promote democracy, human rights, and environmental sustainability. However, globalization has also had negative effects. It has led to the loss of jobs in some industries and countries, as well as increased income inequality. It has also led to the exploitation of workers and the degradation of the environment. Globalization has had a significant impact on culture. The spread of popular culture through media and technology has led to the homogenization of cultural practices and values. However, it has also led to the emergence of new hybrid cultures, which combine elements of different cultures. In conclusion, globalization has transformed the world in numerous ways. It has brought many benefits but also has negative consequences. As we move forward, it is important to address the challenges of globalization while also recognizing its potential to create a more connected and prosperous world. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.